poster will be used and posted on the notice boards of the student unions in lounges, common halls, pantries and next to the vending machines for recognition. In the Manual of English with Chinese translation, 3 types of teas, 5 levels of sweetness and coldness are listed. In order to shorten the cooling time, customers can tailor their drinks by selecting the tubes into a cup. A total of 16 options of tubes in the boxes will be available at the back of our truck. Flexible payment methods, either in cash or with the Octopus card, are allowed for supplemental value. After the payment, customer can go to the back of our truck for entertainment, which is provided while customers are waiting for the drink. One-two switch for multiplayers with more than 20 mini-games in different types and flavors will be available. Finally, customers will go back to the counter on the side of the truck and take the drinks by giving back the invoice to the staff. Our drinks will be served in a sealed container with our logo and encouraging sentence.